Hi everyone, it's Rita and welcome to my channel. So today I have two DIYs for you. The first one I wasn't too sure about, so I'm asking your opinion before I complete those. And the second one I absolutely love. I hope you're enjoying the Valentine and the Spring series. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I do have two playlists and I will link those in the comments, so be sure to check it out. I hope you get some inspiration to create your own DIYs at home. As always, thank you so much to my subscribers for your continued support, and if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you join. Just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. Don't forget, my Thrift It to Gift It collaboration is this Saturday, and my Valentine's Sweets and Treats collaboration is this Sunday. That's January 18th and 19th. I will link those invite videos in the cards above and in the description box below, and I hope you can join in. But for today, let's get right to my DIYs. So I'm going to begin by using these two frames from Dollar Tree. They are silver, and you could paint them, but I think I'll just leave them like this for the Valentine's Day. I'll also be using some of these little hearts, and they are the stickers. And then I have this bag from last year that I've actually used part of, but I'll be cutting this out for the background on the picture frames. So I'm just going to take this little piece of paper out and use it as my template to cut out a piece of the bag. So there's not a lot of room in here. I'm not going to be able to put the heart on the inside. So I'm going to pop that in, pop this back on. That is cute like it is. I don't know, maybe the frame needs to be white. I think this frame needs to be white, guys. Let's paint it and see. So I'm going to use my Rust-Oleum chalk paint in white. It's going to be very difficult to get in there, so we're going to leave it. Let this dry and probably do one more coat. Hey guys, I wasn't thrilled with the way this came out, and I've only put one coat of white paint on here so far. So what do you think about that? And then I did do the other one and left the frame the silver color that it originally was. Now of course I can't take the paint off of this one, but I could paint this one white. Or do you even like it at all? So that's a simple quick project. Not sure if I'm crazy about it, but stay tuned for a wreath that I'll be making. Today I'll be making a small wreath. I'll be using this small wreath form and some yellow and white roses from Dollar Tree. I really like the yellow and white. It's so fresh and feels like spring. Okay, an easy way to get your tag off is to pop the head off and slip it right off. I think I'll leave the greenery on, see how that works out. I'm not really sure how I want to do these, if I want to just stick them in or if I'm going to need to use some hot glue. These little twigs have got to go. I think that's going to be pretty with the greenery on it. So So I'm gonna get these cut down and be right back. How absolutely stunning is that? The yellow and white is so pretty. Now I'll just make a hanger for it. Have 2 left. No, we'll save those. I have this white, it's actually sparkly ribbon that I'm going to use. It's called a glitter ribbon. If some of your florals aren't staying in good, you can always add a little hot glue. There it is, and I will display it for you. And here it is, guys. I think it is absolutely stunning. I just love the white and yellow. It is a small wreath and it's very quick to do. So I hope you enjoyed these 2 DIYs today. And I'm so sorry, but my camera seems to be going out of focus. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thanks to my subscribers, and if you're not a subscriber, would love to have you join. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Until next time, guys, have a great day, and I will see you in my next video.